Let's start with a new topic today, that is some common errors. What are some common errors that while solving a expression or while finding out the factors as a student you do, and how to rectify it, that are given in this topic. So first is, while adding terms with same variable, students leave the sorry students leave the term with no coefficient, but the variable with no coefficient means 1. So I will explain this with an example. That is, here if I am taking 2x plus x plus 3. So this I have taken is equal to 3x plus 3. So we are adding the like terms, that is 2x plus x. But sometimes what as a student you may do, we don't add this term, this variable x, and directly write it at 2x plus 3. So that is one of the error that a student can do. Now second is, if we multiply the expressions enclosed in bracket, then remember to multiply all the terms. So if there is an expression like this where 2 is multiplied with a bracket binomial, that is binomial expression 3y plus 9. So 2 is to be multiplied with both the terms that is inside the bracket. So the answer should be 6y plus 18. But instead of that, student can do an error as it is multiplied with only one term and the second term is left as it is, that is here 6y plus 9. So this will be considered as an error. So what is third? If we are substituting any negative value for the variables, then remember to use the brackets. Otherwise, it will change the operation and the answer too. So if we are substituting, if x is equal to minus 5, we are substituting, then 2x is equal to 2, and this should be in bracket. Whenever there is a value of any variable as minus, negative, then we have to use the bracket. Then only we will get a proper answer, that is minus 10. If without bracket we are using, then you will write it as 2 minus 5. So 2 minus 5, you will do what? Instead of multiplication, you may do it as subtraction and write it as minus 3, and this is called as an error. So these are the errors that you can while performing an expression or while factorizing an expression you can do. So you have to see this. Some of the other errors are, while squaring of the monomial, we have to square both the number and the variable. So while squaring, so 4x the whole square is given. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 16x square. But instead of that, an error can occur like only squaring the variable, that is x square, but the constant value is not square. So this can also occur while solving such square numbers or square monomials. We have to square both the numerical coefficient, this is numerical coefficient, and the variable. Next error can be, while squaring a binomial, always use the correct formulas. So while squaring binomials, you know that a plus b the whole square. What is the formula of a plus b the whole square? So what is a square plus 2ab plus b square? So this formula will be used here. But instead of that, if only squaring is done of these two terms, that is 2x the whole square is 4x square plus 9. So this is an error, this is wrong, but the answer should be 2x plus 3 the whole square is 4x square plus 12x. How? 2 multiplied by ab. 2 multiplied by a is 2x. 2x multiplied by b is 3. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. So 12x plus b square, that is 9. So this way it should be done instead of just squaring the terms. You have to use the formula. Next error can be, while dividing a polynomial by a monomial, remember to divide each term of polynomial in the numerator by the monomial in the denominator. So while you are dividing polynomial with a monomial, each term of the polynomial should be divided with the monomial like this. So if an example is given, x plus 5, this is a polynomial that is more than one term, divide by 5 is not equal to x plus 1. How? You can see that 5 and 5 is common, so you will just cancel it, and x plus 1 is, you will write it. So that will be an error. So that is wrong. But instead of that, you have to divide with each term of the polynomial, that is x by 5 plus 1 by 5 by 5. If you are writing like this, then what answer you will get? That is x by 5 plus 5 by 5 is 1. So this way the answer should come instead of just dividing it with only one term. I hope you have got all how can an error occur while you solve such sums and how to rectify it.